Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve productivity with Google step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once there, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Now, familiarize yourself with the Google Workspace apps available to you. Start with Google Calendar to schedule your tasks and appointments. Create events by clicking on the plus Create button in the top left corner. Set reminders for each event to keep yourself on track. Next, move to Google Tasks to organize your to-do lists. Access Google Tasks from the right sidebar while using Gmail or Calendar. Add tasks by clicking on plus Add a task and breaking down larger projects into smaller steps. Use Google Drive to store and organize your files efficiently. Create folders for different projects to keep everything easily accessible. Now, utilize Google Docs for collaborative work with others. Share documents by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. Use the Comments feature to provide feedback and enhance collaboration. Next, consider Google Keep for quick notes and ideas. Simply click on Take a Note to jot down thoughts or reminders. Organize your notes with labels for easier retrieval later. Integrate Google Meet for virtual meetings and discussions. Schedule meetings directly from Google Calendar and send invites. Now, explore Google Forms for gathering feedback or conducting surveys. Create a form by clicking on the blank option in Google Forms. Customize questions to suit your needs and distribute the form easily. Leverage Google Sheets for data analysis and tracking progress. Use formulas and functions to streamline calculations. Check out Google Sites if you need to create a simple website for your projects. Use templates to get started quickly and customize as needed. Finally, regularly review your productivity tools and adjust them as necessary. Track your time spent on tasks to identify areas for improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.